Welcome to Play and Learn, where we explore Irish culture through crafts, stories, and language. Today, we'll dive into the fascinating world of Celtic knots. Let's get started. Celtic knots are intricate designs that each symbolize different things like eternal love and interconnectedness. Using colorful air-dry clay, you can create your own Celtic knots. Start by weaving the coils together. Follow along as I demonstrate how to create 3 examples of common Celtic knots. Watch as the lines intertwine, forming intricate patterns that showcase the beauty of these ancient symbols. Start by rolling clay into coils, then follow along as I weave them together to make 3 examples of common Celtic knots. This is a great way to learn about Celtic knots and understand how they are intertwined. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, we've learned how to make our own Celtic knots using air-dry clay. These knots are not only beautiful but also carry special meanings and cultural significance. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the rest of our Play and Learn videos for more Irish crafts, stories and language learning. Thanks for watching.